See this part of the bird?
The ass.
You know that part?
Sweetest part, bro.
Sweet. Bro, I want to chop it off of all
Not
bird.
fried crips.
Bro, I want to make batty bites.
No, I'm not eating batty bites.
Gwan Squad. So today we're doing a special video. You know, bird bush has been going on for a little bit, so it's time to do a cook up. We're gonna link up with some brethren, birds and bear. You see me? Just get a few bears, some birds, some gizzard going on the flames. So right now we're heading down to our #1 favorite supermarket in the whole of Jamaica, Brooklyn, down our Alpha Tree. We're gonna go down there and get the ingredients we need. Then we're gonna link up with the chef. Let's go on this journey today. Cook up, yeah? Gwan Squad. So we're there down at Twin Gates in a Alpha Tree. Come to the #1 supermarket, Brooklyn. You see me? I get all the ingredients. We're cooking up some stew bird and salt and pepper. So, yeah. Bro, but look at all the options. Look at the floor, nice. Yeah, so look. I give you guys a list of the ingredients in the either description. I think we're going to do some ginger scallion bird. Oh, that's what we're doing, ginger scallion bird, salt and pepper. And then we're going to do some stir fry gizzard. You know, so I look for vegetable oil and we're going with pure. And that is that we are shop with, yeah, pure. And that is it. Gwan Squad, we're there with the big chef. 2 girls.
Gwan Squad.
Yeah. What the ginger scallion bird?
The ginger scallion. We could do some popcorn gizzard, like some Chinese.
Yo,
salt and pepper gizzard.
That would have shot. You did say something about stir fry. So I did just get a stir fry sauce too, yeah?
No, we don't use anything.
Okay.
Makeshift.
Okay, you make your own sauce.
Yeah, we do.
You know what I'm saying? That sauce of Poppy did say, he would say, yo, he probably make him own a sauce, but just in case, take this. I love gizzard, you see me? So, let's go.
This is the motor birds too.
Yeah, man.
I'm just getting already.
Okay, and eating a bit more?
Yeah. And Zara.
You sure?
And burgers.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Bird burgers.
Bird burger? I've never even had that.
No, fuck with me, chopping in the camera. Yeah.
Mate. Don't lie to the squad, bro.
Bro,
you can lie to me, but you can't lie to the squad.
50% grass-fed.
Yo, alright, hold on. So I have a mad idea nobody's taking me on. See this part of the bird?
The ass.
You know that
Sweetest part?
Sweet. Bro, I want to chop it off of all bird.
Fried crips.
Bro, I want to make batty bites.
No, I'm not eating batty bites.
But you eat ass.
Bread
but you eat the bird ass. So you will.
It tastes good.
So we couldn't. It's the best part.
My helper used to take them out for the chicken, them and just eat 100 of them.
Bro, it's the best part, don't it? Just shoot, bro. Guys, I've been saying this for the last like 3 seasons. We need to make batty bites. Let me know in the comments down below if you try that, you see me?
Popcorn, you know?
Popcorn gizzard?
Popcorn gizzard and hot.
I don't think I've had this before, and I love gizzard and hot. Alright, so we're making a little change to the recipe. They were frying a little too fast because they're so small. So instead I'm gonna block up egg on it, mix it up in the scheme. Yeah.
Stay moist.
Huh?
You're gonna stay moist now.
You know we like it moist. That looks proper, you know. That is madness. Now that's what I'm talking about. Let me try one of that.
That one? Nala.
This not bad. Alright, this is a heart, eh?
Yeah, bro.
No.
Sweet pop.
The prophecy is true.
Papa.
Bombo. Jay.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah, let's get your reaction to it.
Alright. You're like melted. Delicious.
This shit I got done before, anybody.
CB was like mentioning that they kind of like saw what we were doing and they'd love to kind of follow suit, but at the scale is just hard to do it. Like
Almost done, got up, soak them a little bit, and then we're ready for cooking. And so I'm gonna smash up some garlic and I'm gonna cut up some ginger for the ginger scallion. Then I cut up scallion. Get this show on the road.
Yo, we were there.
so then
Okay. Oh, season already too.
flavor them just like going on, you know.
This is the ginger scallion. We're eating now, this is fried bread.
Regular fried bread, but this garlic and salt.
Onion garlic.
Brother,
That was the worst experience of my life.
Donald, if you see if you can find a cover up there, or something can cover them. Can I get a cover up there for this one?
Is that the ginger scallion? Or what the next part? Both of them?
So the stew bread. It's up, go down there. Water this one.
Okay. Alright guys, camera died. Had some technical difficulties, so I didn't get to see us finish eating the bird. But yo, big up to Two Youths Catering. Food was great. Check them out on Instagram. And guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Journey to 10K. Out. Gwan Squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.